Good morning, welcome to the market view for Friday the 16th of May 2014. Starting off with the 30-minute chart, we can see we've got a buy signal which was completed after the news. That's half an hour after the US unemployment figures were released. We can see the market moved higher towards 230, filling the order. A bit of potential weakness there with this red bar, and then the market driving through to 3:30 p.m. there, just above the DP, and also we've got the psychological level there as well of 168. This stopped the market, and prices then went into a sideways range. So the most on this trade, bearing in mind that the market traded above the high, which if we look at the tools BTP and then just go from the entry price to the peak, 24 pips. So the maximum on there would be in the range of 20 pips for this trade. So the market very quiet in the morning. You can see the market there just trading down, finding some support, and then just stuck until the US released the unemployment figures there at 130. So a few pips to be had in this market. And it was a similar story for the 60-minute chart as well, which you can see there. And the market stuck in this sideways range at the moment, as prices have been very quiet on the overnight market. So let's have a look at today's potential profit targets, and starting with the price action from yesterday. You can see the market coming off the lows yesterday, trading above the 167.50 there, and stuck between the 168. So only quite a narrow range for yesterday. So lucky to actually get the 20 pips out of the market there. So let's have a look at a few potential upside targets. We had a new low yesterday. We go back to the first high to the left, and back to the low to the recent low, which is obviously yesterday's price bar. We'll just draw this in, and this is where we can expect to see some issues on the upside should the market continue to move higher. I'm just going to grab a 0 point extension here. Just want to draw across here so you can see that the market's got some support there at 167.61, and also if we just come across to this low as well at 167.19, you can see where the market was heading down towards this level during yesterday, but then managed to come back to this area here of support where there is a cluster of buying in the market there and support. So upside, we've got to take out the 168, and then of course it's 168.50 is where the market would head to, and this of course has got to take out the 168.39 level in order to do this. As far as the news is concerned today, let me just save this before we move on. Let's have a quick look at today's economic news. Yellen has already spoken, and let's have a look. We've got nothing from the UK this morning. We've got some French payroll figures there, and then it's over to the US for building permits, which is fine, and then the prelim consumer sentiment as well. That's out at 2:55. So a bit of news to move the market, not an awful lot there. So it could be a quiet Friday. Right, well, that's it for today, for this week, as we head into the weekend. I've just got a couple of things to finish off with the Dow, and I'm hoping to get at least one video out to you either today or over the weekend. I have a couple of technical issues that I just need to address and sort out, so I'm hoping to do that for you. It will be a basic video on how to actually set the charts up and the time scales and all that sort of stuff. So fingers crossed that will be achieved. Right, that's it. Say all things being equal, I will see you in Monday's market view. The weather forecast is for a good one, and hopefully that will be the case. So have a great weekend. As ever, thank you for your support and also for watching.